my god. I don't even know where I am. I just found this place and now I'm locked in. I just want to go home. Why do I sound like that? I don't know. I just want to go home, okay? I just want to go home. I just want to see Cindy. I just want to see Blank. I just want to see, oh god, what is his name? Chester. But guess what? Cindy and Chester are dead. They died by, like, in the hands of Sonic, I think. I think it was Sonic. No, it doesn't open, it's locked. Oh! My frames are dying. Oh god, the more I go down, the more my frames slowly perish. There's nothing over here. I just want to go home. The only thing is that I know I'm not alone at this point, okay? There's that Bunga guy, there's the Sonic. Who knows what could be here? Why does this place look so abandoned? It's like something was here and killed him. Am I back where I started? Hold on. Wait, this is... I just went in a giant circle. I just went in a giant circle. Yeah, way to go, me. Let's go over here. My frames, my PC. Breaking the fourth wall. That won't open. Stupid ass. What is that? Paint? Screw the paint. I need to stop hitting stuff. Ooh, printers, my favorite. No, I can't get distracted. Well, if I'm alone, at least I can't. Avoid death. I think that's gonna come in real handy later. Oh, look, a microwave. Stupid microwave. Stupid computers, why won't y'all work? My game's dying, it's dying. It's so creepy. Why does everything have to be so creepy? My frame's dying. My frames are dying. That's a dead end. Looks like it. What is this, a parking area? Is this like a parking, like a mall parking area? This might be a mall. I think I'm in a mall. I can't get up. Beyond. Whatever that says. I just want to go home. That's nothing. Just let me go somewhere. I'm just going in a giant... I'm just gonna begin going in a giant circle. Or am I? Yep, I'm back in here, aren't I? Oh no, I can't. place is so creepy. It's so cold too. Ugh, especially in here. Oh my god. So cold. So many graffiti. Looks like someone's been here. Looks like someone's been here though. What's this? Doesn't do anything. I swear I heard something. I think it's just, you know, I'm Candy the Cat. I think what I'm hearing is just my mind playing tricks. I think my sanity is just slowly draining because I've been hunted down a lot. Someone in there? Someone's in there. They're trapped. Oh god. I know I can't stand still though. I know if I do, something bad's gonna happen. What is this place? Like, yeah, it's a mall area. Mall parking. And now I'm back in here. Ooh, soda, my favorite. I'm thirsty. It won't work! Why won't it work? Well, to be fair, I didn't even press the buttons, right? Vending machine. Do I need a coin? Do I have any? I don't have any chains! Dang it. I don't have any chains. Oh yeah, that door's locked. Okay, let's go down. I know whenever someone goes down, that's a bad thing. It doesn't even have its handle. How much paint do you need? To be fair, it's a mall parking area, so... Okay, yeah, I'm hearing things. Yeah, my mind's playing tricks on me. I'm hearing things. That's just my mind slowly losing everything. My brain. I think I'm just slowly losing my brain cells. Yeah, I think that's what's happening. I think I'm just slowly being drained of my sanity in this weird mall area. I don't even know what happened. This could be the start of the apocalypse or something. What's this? Yeah, this looks so much like an elevator. Drown my face. I just want to get to a subway, if that even is here. That stupid thing is locked. What's this? It opened. Do I hear something? Do I hear something? I hear something. That's not my sanity draining. What is that noise? Oh god, I'm so scared. It could be above me, it could be in there. Or over there. I'm not going this way. I wanna go, What's that noise? What's that noise? Stay away from me. It's gone. Maybe it was my mind playing tricks on. I could have sworn I saw something. Maybe it. It's gone. Maybe it was my mind playing tricks on me. I think it's. Yeah, I think it is just my mind playing tricks on me. Yeah, I hear it, but, you know, I think it's just a radio, actually. Yeah, I think it's just some radio. I think it's a radio. Where is this radio at? I need to turn it off. Radio thing. Radio thing? What is that? What is that? What is that thing? What is that thing? What was that thing? Is that producing what? Hello? Looks like some sort of cartoon cat. Stuck. Hee hee, you're stuck. What are you gonna do about it? Thing. Creature demon.
On our way to Grampy, always such good company.
Go on your way to Grampy.
Place to be.
Grampy's friendly. What just happened? Did I die? I just died. Oh god. Oh god, he's somewhere. Oh god, what was that thing? It looked like a cartoon cat. Oh god, and my frames are dying again. Oh god. Oh god, I don't wanna be hunted down anymore. I just wanna go back to my burgers and fries area. Oh god. I could just imagine what me in another universe is going through. Maybe me in another universe is actually happy and he's like at some sort of pizzeria or something. I don't want to be hunted down no more. I just wanna go home. What's in here? Stupid box. Stupid box. I can't even move it. There you go. There's nothing, I just did that for no reason. Stupid boxes. Stupid thing. Can't open it. Oh, the shining is getting me tired. Oh, the shining is getting me tired. Oh my god, it's so cold in here. You know, good thing I had a drink in my pocket. This might be the apocalypse for all I know. Okay, I was saying, this might be apocalypse. Who knows? It probably isn't. But I'm starting to think that it is. I'm starting to think that this is the apocalypse. And I'm just being hunted down by monsters. But, yep, that avoid death really came into play, didn't it? Oh yeah, that doesn't even have a door handle. All it has is that lock thing. Ooh, yeah, gimme. Oh, stupid microwave. Get out of my way. Beep, beep, boop, beep. Coin? No? Ugh, coin. Dang it! I didn't get my order. This fence is glued shut too. What's this? It's a basket. Why is it so cold? Why is it so cold too? It's not like it could just spawn out of nowhere.
We're on our way to Nancy, always good company. It's the only place to be.
Oh god, he's near me. Oh god, I bang on it down. Ah, what is it? I'm going. I'm sorry, I touched your cranberries. I'm sorry, I touched your I'm sorry, I touched your cranberries. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. I think I saw it in the corner of my eye. I'm sorry, I touched your cranberries. I'm sorry, I touched your cranberries. I won't do it again. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to be here no more. I don't want to be here no more. I don't want to be here no more. It's scary here. I don't want to be here. Come on. Stupid things, move out of the way. Can't move it. I want to be hunted down. This might be my end. I think this is where I meet my end. Yeah, I've heard of this Edward guy. It's some guy. Hopefully he can help. It's this universe guy. Not universe guy. It's basically like this Edward guy who Alex has been talking about. He was an old friend of mine, I think. I'm talking to myself. I don't know what's happening, but Alex told me this Edward guy. And there's like a version of him in this universe, but I need to find him. Oh god, I think that's going to be impossible. Especially now that he could be... I don't even know if there's anyone alive. I hear him. He's that way. Just let me go. I don't want to be hunted down. I don't want to be hunted down no more. I just want to live to see the day of flipping, what is it? GTA 6 come out. I just want to live to see the day where I could see, or I could witness GTA 6 come out. That's like next year. He's after me! Let me go! Let me go! What are you doing? God, I don't want to go to Grampy's house. I don't want to go to Grampy's house no more. I don't know who Grampy is. Yeah. I'm stuck. I'm dying. I don't even know. Maybe he'll lose me. Maybe he'll lose me. Stop banging on the door. I want to know who's banging on the door. Stop it. Oh god, I don't want to be here anymore. Please stop banging on the door. I'll bang on the door for you. What type of floor is this? I think I lost him. We apologize for the inconvenience. Thanks for nothing. Is that a message to me? Oh god, what did I do? What did I do? I just candied the cat. I just want to go home. Don't go towards him. I'm not going towards him. Feels like it. Can he not get in here? Can he not get in here? Who's Grampy?
It's the only place.
Oh god. Oh god, what is happening? I don't want to be here no more. Wait, what's this? I got a gun! Fear me? Fear me and your stupid flippin' killer machines or whatever you are. I have a gun! You must fear me! I have a Candy the cat has a gun now. My flames are dying! Fear me! I have a gun and I'm not afraid to use it. Fear me! It's not up there. Who keeps banging on these doors? I hear. It's like I'm raiding the place.